How's it going, everybody? Martin with Belvoir Auto Spa. Now we're at month 4 on this ceramic coating ultimate longevity torture test. Just a few things. Again, this part of the test was viewer requested. This was not my plan or intention to do. Someone even sent me a new test hood. He purchased and paid for a new test hood for me to be able to do this. These coatings had all been prior chemically torture tested. Most of them survived just fine. So he just wants to see, people just want to see how long it's going to last. So this thing's obviously been through some abuse. It sits in my backyard. I can't leave it out here because there's an HOA. My dogs brush up against it. Water gets all over it. So this time it's been suggested by multiple people, including some of the companies, to do a full decon. So that's what we're going to do. So we're going to wash with Coach Chemi reactivation shampoo. We're going to clay bar with synthetic clay rag company. We're going to iron decon, and then we're going to use water spot remover, 2 different types, just to make sure. So let's go ahead and get this done. And we'll check and see how it holds up between each one. But you can see right now, there's so much contamination on there. Is anything showing through? And I'll do a close-up at the end of the video, but it looks like Armor Detail Supply stack down there is breaking through a little bit. That's impressive. And then Stark Liquid Thor, Underdog Pro Plus, C-Quartz a little bit, and yeah, Armor Quartz Pro even down here. But we want to give everything a fair chance, so we're going to make sure we get everything cleaned up. And let's see here. Oh, the FameLab Ceramic V3 plus the Overcoat, the latest version of Overcoat, whatever version it is. But yeah, so you can see slowly more and more starting to break through. Despite being so contaminated, that's pretty impressive. Let's go ahead and get this thing washed. And we'll wash it twice just to make sure it's clean, fully decon. This panel is dirty. Even the tape's starting to peel off. It's getting hot out here. We have had an insane amount of rain the past month. Just upon the first round of washing, Underdog Pro Plus, Stark Liquid Kraken, the DIYs stack, FameLab, Armor a little bit, FameLab even here, Underdog Pro, C-Quartz, UK 3.0 and SIC, Stark Repel, Stark Thor, what's this one? I can barely read the names anymore. Underdog Marine, Ethos Graphene Max. That's the only things that are really standing out, but we're going to do a second wash, and we're going to decon the whole thing. So. The second round of washing, even more is starting to come through, so that's really starting to bring them back to life. We got CarPro D-Quartz, Black Rhino Fat Beads, which is impressive. Black Rhino's normal coating, Black Rhino Graphics. Even Ryan West 9H starting to come through, System X Max. So I expect we're going to revive more of these as we do more decon. So we got the Rag Company clay scrubber. I'm going to make sure we go over each part, just where there's the coating. I don't care about the rest of the panel right now. Oh yeah, it definitely made a difference. The ones that I already mentioned are doing a lot better after being clayed. The ones I haven't mentioned, we're not really seeing much of a change. So now we're going to do an iron remover. I probably should have done the iron remover before claying, but we'll clay over the iron remover. We'll do a second clay round. So let's use the back of the clay thinner. Now we'll just do a second clay round. Now, Iron X, CarPro Iron X isn't really something that is made to clay bar, but I've got this clay bar, this clay scrubber soaked in car shampoo, so there's plenty of lubrication from that. I do want to know, claying, I don't really feel any grittiness. It doesn't feel gritty at all claying, so I don't know if the clay bar is doing a whole lot. Underdog Pro Plus, look at that. That's this one right here. Stark Kraken, DIY stack, FameLab stack, Armor stack. Oh yeah, the DIY coatings came back after that iron remover. Got the DIY 8-year, 5-year, 3-year coming back a little bit. Black Rhino graphics, all the CarPro coatings. None of the stuff at the bottom, and the bottom may just be getting too much abuse, honestly. Let me know your thoughts on that. I know there's going to be some people just upset because their favorite coatings down here at the bottom aren't doing good. And that is Gloss Revolution from Puerto Rico, Gion Mo's Evo, Meguiar's M888, Cerakote, System X Crystal. That's what's down at the bottom. So now we're going to do water spot remover. We're going to DIY detail first. Now people have mixed feelings about DIY detail. Some people swear by it, says it does a great job at removing mineral deposits from coatings. Other people claim that there's an additive in it that causes the water to start beating. No one's been able to prove that, so DIY says it's not the case. You have to go with what they say unless somebody proves it otherwise. But because of that, that is why I'm going to follow it up with a second water spot remover from Ryan West Industries. That way, if you did leave any protection behind, as some people claim, it will pretty much get killed off by the second water spot remover. That looks like it revived almost everything. Almost everything. Let's not speak too soon. Let's still do a second round of water spot remover from Ryan West Industries. Now, I've had people say this acid is very strong, works great as a wheel cleaner. So we'll flip to a clean side of the towel. Go ahead and wipe it in. Yeah, this one is definitely more of a sudsy one, thicker formula. Go over everything 2 times. This tape is just, I might have to redo the tape. Yeah, probably will have to. after that, yeah, definitely seeing improvements. Now we're going to wash it one last time just to remove anything that maybe people say maybe there's residue left behind. We'll wash it. Again, we're using acid soap. It'll all rinse away. Alright, there you have it. Decon Mo's definitely came back. McGuire's M888 came back a little bit. Now there is water draining still from the top, so the ones on the bottom may take longer to sheet water away. But looks like System X Crystal is just about dead. Cerakote. Well, let's go in for a close look. I know that's what you guys want to see. So we got CarPro D-Quartz pre-production and Black Rhino fat beads, along with CarPro D-Quartz regular. C-Quartz 3.0, or UK 3.0 and C-Quartz SIC. UK 3.0 has been insanely good. And that's the oldest coating in the lineup. That's impressive. We'll go to the next row. Underdog Marine, doing really good. Black Rhino, 3-year coating, doing alright. Black Rhino Optics, slow sheeting, but still there. Black Rhino Graphics, doing alright. Underdog Pro Plus, doing really good, which it has been this whole time. Underdog Pro, doing pretty good. Stark Repel, doing really good. Liquid Thor, Stark Liquid Thor, doing really good. Ethos Graphene Max V3, doing really good, or V2, excuse me. Ethos Ceramic V2, doing slow sheeting. Now they did say they had an issue with these pre-production batches, so don't hold that against them. That's Easy Peasy Plus, which is unreleased, still in production, so it's a pre-production sample. Also had an issue with the ceramic for that, I'm told. Stark Liquid Kraken, doing really good. DIY's 3-year, doing alright. DIY 5-year, doing pretty decent. DIY's 8-year, doing decent. DIY Stack, doing really good, so Ivan was not lying saying that Stack essentially creates a new coating. Alright, we'll do the System X's here on the side. Max, Pro, and Crystal. The System X Max doing pretty good. Pro doing pretty good. Crystal not doing so great. Very, very slow sheeting. Alright, Ryan West 7H and 9H. Wow, really good. After that Decon, so 7H and 9H doing pretty good. FaneLab Ceramic V3 doing pretty good. And FaneLab Ceramic V3 with overcoat, V whatever the latest is, doing really good. Down to the next row. What is this? I don't remember what I put there. I can barely read it. Oh, that's Apex Blue Collar 7. Doing all right. It's definitely just about had it. Here is Armor Quartz, normal, or the regular version. Doing decent. Armor Quartz Pro, doing pretty good, and Armor Stack with both of the coatings doing really good. So with Armor as well, that essentially creates a new coating. So definitely give that Stack a try. And below that, that is Cerakote. Cerakote did say they released a updated formula. So if you did pay for it, I didn't pay for it, but if you did pay for it, they will send you a new batch. And we'll see how that does for anyone that did pay for it. McGuire's M888 is doing all right. It is slow sheeting, but again, this is at the bottom of the panel, so maybe it's just getting more abuse. Maybe it's not the best in the world, but it is performing still. Decon Mo's Evo, I know that was an upset in the last video. Look, Mo's Evo's still there. Okay, and then Gloss Revolution Barrel 3. Not doing so hot, but still something there. So there you go, guys. You can see after a full decon, I'll probably every other month we'll do a full decon on this. Just to keep things going. And for the fans of Underdog, I didn't apply them wrong, okay? They just get, Underdog, Marine, and Pro get contaminated easily, it seems. The Underdog Pro Plus, that thing is a monster, so it's pricey coating, but it's really good. But yeah, that's all I got for you guys. Hopefully you're enjoying this series. We're just gonna keep going and keep going until I get tired or the panel gets tired or the coatings get tired. So I will see you all in the next video. Keep them clean. Have a good one.